Hey, welcome back to another day of Like the Kale. So, I said I wasn't gonna do this, I ain't had time, but I took that stump grinder off. I got about 1 or 2 stumps here I'm about to try to kill right quick. So we're gonna get this thing cranked up and get on back and kill these stumps. Alright, got me, I think this is one right here, really. Well, it's 2. Well, it's 3, dang. I got this one. Oh, these is roots. And this one really. I'm trying to knock them 2 out. And that's it, get it done. Alright, it take long to get them 2 up. I might hit some of these little roots. I burned them. I might clear them 2 right there. I might go and clear them.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So I'm knocking out these little trees over here. About to knock out these 2 pines and then we gotta load this thing up. Now I'm about to give me a strap. Put the back of that machine. Drag them trees in the wood. I ain't about to try to hook them thing. I'm gonna go get a strap right quick so I can hook them tie them trees to them. I'm gonna drag them right on back in the woods. Alright, we about to get ready to head to this house so we can get this big stump up in this front yard, see how much more of it we can get. Hopefully we can get all that, but I doubt it. So we done made it over here to the house. Let me put my sweatshirt on. Well, it's a little cool out here. We got, matter of fact, I need to get my phone out of here too. Let's see. We got roughly 3 hours and 20 minutes. It's 9:39, 9:40. I need to leave here by 12 and get it back by 12:36. So, in that 3 hours and, what's it, 3 hours and 20 minutes? That's what we got left to try to get up. So, it shouldn't take long. Don't know how much of it we're gonna be able to get up. Need to keep my phone with me. Don't know how much of it we're gonna be able to get up, but hopefully we can get all of it. I started last night. Good thing I did start last night. Look how much it did. So it'll do it. It's just gonna take some time, but I'm gonna keep hacking at it. Start working around the sides on it. But let's get this thing off this trailer. People be over here acting weird. Like, the guy just ride by. He just stopped. He just looking. Looking like hard. And you can see, boy, it's cloudy too. You gotta try to beat the rain. Last vlog. start knocking this thing out. So if I sit y'all up on the porch, I'm about to keep going.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not.
So, oh, this one I need right here. I thought I had to go down there to get this rake, but I need this rake to move some of this sawdust around so I can see exactly how much I got left to do. So I'm trying to keep you out of the rain. We shouldn't have too much, man. We shouldn't have too much. gonna give it a shot. I'll get back to you. Alright, it's 12:09. We gotta be back there at 12:36. So we gotta wash this thing off. I just put some gas in it. We gotta wash this thing off right quick, and that should be it. That Stump, boy, it just seemed like it just kept coming. Every time I think I had it all, I see some more. So let me get this water hose, wash this thing off right quick. house up. And we gonna head on up out of here. Alright, let's get on up out of here. We got exactly 20 minutes. 20 minutes. We can bag this little trailer up out of here. So, you see, we up here at the Home Depot, but we just dropped that thing off. That stump grind, that thing worked like a champ. You know, if you charge your bay. Oh, look, this is what I might need to get. This little Toro here. And see, this one got a bucket on it. So if I need to move that sand and stuff, but that's $300 for 24 hours. Yeah, so we gonna figure it out. But that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. Till then, we out.